How to fix YouTube comments not showing up PC. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to fix YouTube comments not showing up PC. First, open Google Chrome and search for YouTube Studio. Then click on the first link. In YouTube Studio, click on Settings from the left side. Then click on Channel and go to Advanced Settings. Select the option No. Set this channel as not made for kids. I almost never upload content that's made for kids. Next, click on Permissions from the left side and review the settings. Then check other options like Community Moderation and Agreements. Then go to Upload Defaults and click on Advanced Settings. Scroll down to the comment section and make sure to select On. Lastly, click on Moderation and set it to Basic. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos. See you in the next one.